Cole, and this is the kidnapper. Oh my gosh, it's a truck. It's gonna kidnap us. Ah. Oh my gosh! The kidnapper truck is coming! Run!
And you say that he kidnapped me.
Oh no, Pinky! Pinky? Pinky! Oh my gosh. Where did she go? Hello? Could she be in here? Huh? Where is she? Pinky! He tied her up.
Help! Help!
Braces, oh my gosh, he's gonna get you! The kidnapper's gonna get her here. Let me get you. Yeah, I got you. The kidnapper could have gotten you, oh my gosh. Say no, I would have kicked his butt.
No, I would have kicked his butt.
That's the kind of attitude my little sister has. Pinky.
Get off me!
Oh my gosh, there's the big dog. Oh, wow! Wait, what if that's the kidnapper's dog? Bye!